Hi guys, so today we are continuing with chapter 1, sets. So let's just remind ourselves of our Venn diagrams. The area in the middle is called the intersection. This means A and B. A or B is when you have two sets together. This is AUB. The complement of A is the region that does not include A. Today we're going to be looking at problem solving using sets. Let's look at the following example question and take this down in our notebooks. In the Venn diagram below, U is the number of pupils in a first-year class that attend an after-school sporting activity at a local gym. A are the students who play squash. B are the students who play volleyball. In question A, we're asked, how many students are in the first-year class? To find this, we add up all of the numbers that are in our universe. This gives us 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12 equals 30. In part B, we're asked how many students play squash. To find the number of students who play squash, we look at circle A, as this represents the students playing squash, and we add up the numbers in circle A. This gives us 3 plus 8, which equals 11. In C, we're asked how many students play both squash and volleyball. Here, we add up all of the students who play squash and volleyball. This "and" means the intersection. This gives us 8 students. And D, how many students play neither squash nor volleyball. These are the students that are not included in Venn A or Venn B, which is 12. Please pause this video and take down this example question. Let's look at another example. There are 6 students: Eva, Anne, Owen, Mark, Jim and John. Anne, Owen and Jim play tennis. Jim, John and Mark play hurling. Eva plays neither. In question A, we're asked to represent this information on a Venn diagram. The first thing that we need to do here is draw our Venn diagram. So we put in our universe, and in our universe we have 2 sets, hurling and tennis. From here I need to add my students. The first student I'm going to add is a student that plays both hurling and tennis. This is Jim. When you add a student, cross them off so you know not to include them again. Jim goes in the intersection as he plays both. Now we want the students who play hurling. We're left with John and Mark playing hurling. The students playing tennis are Owen and Anne. And then we have Eva who plays neither, so Eva will go outside. Now let's look at question B. What students play both hurling and tennis? The students playing both hurling and tennis is the student in the intersection, which is Jim. The students playing tennis only are the students in the tennis circle, not including Jim who plays both. We're left with Owen and Anne. How many students play hurling only? We do the same thing for our hurling set, and we're left with John and Mark. How many students is this? This is 2 students. Then E, how many students play hurling or tennis are both? This is everybody in the set of hurling and tennis, which is 5 students in total. Now that we have looked at our example questions, let's try some ourselves. I want you to turn to page 13 in your books. This is exercise 1.5. Please complete question 2 and question 3. That's question 2 and question 3. When completed, please take a picture of your work and upload it to the classroom. If you have any questions, please comment on Classroom for me.